Have you ever wondered what makes a person successful? Seeing many different people post their success stories online, you're curious about what's so special about them other than winning in life. Although these people don't know each other, they actually have similar characteristics that lead to their eventual success. Now, as someone watching this video, you must be thinking about what these characteristics are. You must be pretty curious whether you possess these traits or not. Without further ado, let's get started. First on the list, people who reached success suffered from numerous failures. However, instead of letting their failure bring them down, they used it as a stepping stone. Now ask yourself, when you experience failure, do you triumph over your failure? Or does your failure triumph over you? The famous writer Stephen King had his novel Carrie rejected 30 times before being accepted. It must have been a frustrating experience. Yet, he trudged on and the rest is history. Jack Ma grew up poor. He took his university exams thrice and failed the first two. He had numerous job rejections and opened a business that eventually failed. Amidst these, he was able to come forward and establish Alibaba. Colonel David Sanders' chicken recipe got rejected many times by restaurants, amounting to approximately 1,000. In addition to this, his business also got bankrupt. Yet, now we see his recipes spread around the world with huge success. Did you notice the traits of these people? It was this persistence, this perseverance that helped them reach success. Other than this, what helped them through was that hopeful expectation that as long as they keep trying, they would eventually reach the finish line. They did not lose their sights on their goal and managed to push through. How about you? Are you going through the same situation? Number 2, they continually grow and learn throughout their free time. Successful people keep growing by watching helpful videos or listening to informative audio, reading books, and conversing with other people. They don't sit around aimlessly for an hour. They always look for chances to learn new things, develop new skills, and improve their current abilities. Basically, they take value in their time and make sure that they learn something new every day. When they talk to people, they share great experiences with one another, which could help their growth. They are aware that there are many things they don't know, which drives them to know more. It's like how games work. The more you progress, the more you grow. However, if you do nothing, you will stagnate while they go so far ahead. Number 3, successful people employ success-driven habits. Several habits that these people have are being organized, taking care of themselves, maintaining a positive attitude, reading, and more. They don't keep gambling, smoking, and drinking as part of their everyday routine. These habits help serve as fuel for them to consistently perform well every single day, ensuring that they are in tip-top shape to scale the mountain full of challenges. You can achieve success and lead a prosperous life too if you develop excellent habits and exhibit positive behavior. If you're still in the process of correcting your habits, it's okay, you will eventually get there. Number 4, they are confident with themselves. It must be known that confidence is not some magic success ticket that came out of nowhere. It was born out of hard work to improve their competencies. Successful people are confident with their abilities not because they were blindly confident, but because they had done it many times before. They faced many outcomes, be it rejection or acceptance, and eventually learned how to deal with it. For the first few times, there is possibly anxiety and doubt. There might be many failures that keep bringing down their morale. However, this did not discourage them, but instead encouraged them to win over these negative feelings and learn how to manage them. They believe in themselves even if there is no one to believe them. They keep believing even if no one was there to help them. Even if people keep telling them that they won't make it, they still do, even if they fail many, many times. Do you let your anxiety and doubt cause your inaction, or use them to push yourself to the next level? Number 5. They develop and possess a high emotional quotient or EQ. EQ is just as important or more so than IQ when it comes to happiness and success in life. Having the capacity to recognize, use, and regulate your own emotions in order to reduce stress, communicate clearly, empathize with others, overcome obstacles, and resolve conflict are signs of having high emotional intelligence. You can develop stronger relationships, perform well at work and school, and reach your professional and personal objectives with the aid of emotional intelligence. Additionally, it can assist you in establishing a connection with your emotions, putting your intentions into practice, and choosing what is most important to you. Successful people possess high EQ because reaching success requires handling your emotions well and knowing how to deal with other people. They don't let their emotions influence their actions. Number 6. People who are successful are highly driven and motivated. To accomplish their objectives, they exert all of their effort. They don't put off doing their work or wait until the last minute. Instead, they use their time to do work and then later continue to improve it again and again. They are inspired by what the future holds for them. Their family or the desire to disprove others may also be their driving forces. Whatever their motivation was, it kept pushing them to work hard to reach success and gain results. What about you? What is driving and motivating you? Do you quit due to the slightest hindrance? Or do you push through even though there are many challenges ahead? Last but not the least, they have stellar communication and listening skills. Being successful is not some kind of solo work. It includes meeting up with people and communicating with them. This means that having great communication skills is a must, especially if you want to deliver your ideas, vision, and future goals. Communication skills aren't only limited to talking to others, but also including how they text or email others, how their body language looks, and how they present themselves on social media. In conjunction, they also know how to listen to people. Communication, after all, is a two-way street. They look closely at what people say and observe their actions to later construct a well-thought-out feedback. Ask yourself this: can you articulate your ideas to others well? Can you persuade others and influence them? If so, then you're already on the path to success. Looking back at the list, the skills and traits successful people have are not something that they were born into. They were developed through hard work, motivation, and persistence. They seek to improve many aspects of their lives, be it lifestyle, communication and listening skills, EQ, and etc. They do not have the word quit in their dictionary, and instead, embrace their failures to overcome the obstacles ahead. Therefore, if you seek to be successful in life, it is not too late to develop yourself and achieve success. After watching this video, it may be a sign for you to take action and achieve your dreams. Do comment down below with your thoughts. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.